to be making a Crockpot cheesy garlic pull-apart bread. I got this off of the Country Cook. You're going to need a can of biscuits. I got the Pillsbury Grands 16.3 ounce biscuits. It calls for a 16 ounce. Okay, and you're going to take these and you're going to cut them into fours like that. So I'm going to finish cutting these. I just wanted to do a couple for you to see what how to do it. And let me finish cutting these. I got the these all cut up. Now you're going to need a stick of butter and have it melted. And then you're going to put 2 teaspoons of minced garlic in there. Just mix that all up. Now you're going to have your crock pot heating on low and spray the crock pot and line it with a piece of parchment paper on the bottom. I just went on and sprayed the bottom too, and that way the parchment paper will stick. You're gonna put, I'm just gonna put these biscuits in here. I'm just gonna do a little bit to get the you want to pour the butter mixture all over, and it says to mix them real good in the butter and garlic mix. So I'm doing that. Just going to do a little half at a time. And sorry if y'all heard knocking. It's kids playing, knocking at people's door. So I had to tell them to stop, because they just keep going around knocking at people's door. You know, kids. They're probably bored. But it's scaring my cats. And, you know, there's older people that live around here. And I have to keep going to the door. You know, they're just playing. But one kid tattled on the other. So, oh well. You know, I know, but I just told him to stop. In case y'all heard loud banging at the door. Okay, so now it says to put all of the mix into here. And with the butter mixture, just pour it in there. And you could probably just put it in the crock pot and just mix it all up like that too, maybe. Okay, so now you're just going to put it in there. Put the dough. In there like that. And it says to take a paper towel and cover it with the lid. So let me do that. Yes, my lid is missing the top handle. I have handles, but I have a hard time getting that off. It's not, this thing right here is not coming off. It's like it's welded on there. I don't know. I've tried and tried to get it off, but it's not coming off. If anybody's ever wondered why I don't have a handle. I have plenty of handles to go on it. I just can't get it off. Okay, so it says place a paper towel under the lid to absorb excess moisture. Cover and cook on low for 1.5 hours until biscuits have risen. Okay, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to let it cook for 1.5 hours. And then I'm going to check it. The cheese is melted. And now I'm going to turn it off. Unplug it. And try some for you. Let me get it on the plate. You can see where it's just pulling apart like that. Ooh, hot. Hot, hot, hot. Okay, let me get it out. I want to try it for you. See how it tastes. You can see the edges got nice and brown, but they're not burnt. Very nice. Just want to keep them away from the edges. And then you got the parchment paper at the bottom. I don't know how you can see what it looks like. So, let me try it. Pretty good. Now you can serve this with spaghetti, or you can put marinara sauce to the side and have it as like garlic knots with marinara sauce as a snack. You make this for any time, really. It would be good for like a party. You could make some pull-apart bread and have marinara sauce to the side. Alright, I just want to say Happy New Year to everybody. Hope everybody had a nice Christmas. And yes, I had to take a little break because Christmas exhausted me. I was exhausted. I just needed some rest. And I needed a break from cooking for a few days. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, I hope you'll subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Bye.